Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your diamond cut professional. You are here in Bulunmaz Tools YouTube channel, and today I will introduce you more about our most popular tool, flywheel tools. Flywheel tools are the base of hand diamond cutting. They are the first tools which released in the market. What's special? What's the most important part of flywheel tools? That's a flywheel tool. As you have seen here, the natural diamond, and the head size is 9 mm. The shank size is 3 mm as standard. When the head size becomes 5 mm, we call it mini tool. When the head size is bigger, we call it hammerhead tool. So today we are with flywheel tool. If you know a little bit about flywheel tools, if you have already used or you heard about them, you know that the most popular model is 2 mm 140. What means 2 mm? It's the width of the diamond, the size of the diamond. It can be 1 mm, 3 mm, but we are starting with 2 mm, the standard, the most popular size. And what's the 140? That's the degree of the tool, like 140 degrees. That's Bulunmaz catalog. You can download it on bulunmaz.com or you can pick it up in exhibitions in our offices worldwide. And on 6th and 7th pages you will find all the designs of flywheel tools. As you can see, my 2 mm 140 tool I will try right now is here. So let's start. I will work on that bracelet today. As you can see, it has a big surface on it. It's suitable to work with diamond tools. I target to use several tools in this bracelet. Here I will go with 2 mm 140 and then start with choose the other tools for the bracelet. I'm using Bulunmaz micromotor. That's the hand micromotor which I use in all my videos. It's our own product. We developed it and we outsourced it to our partner in South Korea. So the quality is pretty good. We are pretty experienced about it. I will use 45,000 RPM with this bracelet with 2 mm 140 tool. I'm cutting one side first with the 2 mm 140 tool, and then I will have a cross cut when I finish this side, so you will have a crystal view. So I'm going with the other side. So the first line of my bracelet is ready. I just made a cross cut. That's the most popular, oldest cut you can know, and that's the easiest one to learn. When you start with diamond cut, that will be the most popular and the quickest you will learn the model. I completed the first part of my bracelet with 2 mm 140 tool. You can see it here. Now I am starting the second part of my bracelet. I'm planning to use 2 mm 180, the flat tool, combined with 2 mm 4 line, the lining fancy tool. Here are my two tools for the second part of the bracelet. I will combine them with using in one surface the flat part. It will be like a mirror shine, and the second surface with a lining, it will be like a still shiny but small cracks on the bracelet. Here is my flat tool, and you see the diamond on the tip. It gives a mirror like finishing. And here is my lining tool. The same diamond, you can see that there are small lines which will give the same effect on my bracelet. I start with flat tool. Again, I set a speed of 45,000 RPM with Bulunmaz micromotor, and I start cutting. You can see the mirror cut. as waves. They cut right after each others. I leave the middle part empty, so I will use my lining tool in the next process. Just be careful. Here you see it's a little up. If this part will touch your tool, it's very possible that it will break your tool. So you must be careful sometimes. Now I will change my tool to lining tool. If you want to learn more about mirror cut, just check our YouTube page, Diamond Cut playlist. You will find a video named Mirror Cut that explains you more about our 2mm 180 mirror cut tool. You can have more imagination, more ideas about how to use it with different ways on your products. I'm starting with, again, 45,000 RPM. I use 45,000 with all flywheel tools. Just keep in mind, for diamond tools 45 is enough speed. If you have other machines with different speed, even 35 to 40 would be more or less okay for the start. Then you can update with bulunmaz micromotor, of course. The empty part I'm going with lining tool. And you can see the lines just appear on my bracelet. Here are the empty parts which I left in the previous cut. Now I'm basically completing them. Here's the dangerous part. You see, I told you, if you touch there is possibility that you break your tool. Unfortunately, be careful. Here we go. The second line is ready. I used flat tool and the lining tool in the second line. Of course, when you produce for your mass production, you never use many tools on one bracelet. Out of the exceptional cases, you mostly use just one or combine two tools in one bracelet. But today I'm on video on YouTube. Of course, I have to show you as much as possible, so I'm working on this bracelet. Now I will go with the third part of my bracelet, and I will use just one single tool, one of other popular tools which we sell a lot, 2mm 5 facet tool. What is 5 facet? Let me try to explain you. It's a little bit complicated to explain when you don't see the finished result. Here on our catalog you can see a good picture of facet tool. Here is it. As you can see that there are different facets on the diamond, so it gives the same result on the jewelry product. I give you more explanation. I love to draw, as you probably know. So this is my tool, the shape of the diamond. Here is my tool. Here is my diamond. And as you can see, there are 5 phases on the tool to cut. So when our factory guys are producing the tool, they have to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, which means 5 shiny facets on your finished jewelry product. Facet tool is very important and very popular. You know why? Because there are each facets giving the reflection of light from taking from here, giving to here, taking from here, giving to here. So you will see lots of shines, kind of colors of the light. So you will love it because the shine comes a lot from the product. My customers from countries which love shine a lot using this facet tool a lot, because when you combine it with different tools, it gives you the best shine. You will get only one piece of facet tool in the tool set. It's 2mm 5 facet, but actually there are different sizes and different facet numbers of the tool. You can have different combinations: 1mm, 1.5, 2mm, 2.5, and up to 3mm, and you can get different options from 3, 5, 7 facets. I go again with 45,000 RPM with facet tool. It's a flywheel tool, so 45 is pretty good. And I will cover the rest part of my bracelet with facet tool so you can see the shine. Here's my third line of the bracelet, the facet tool. As you can see, the facets are shining. Each facet shine different. We are using an iPhone camera, so it's not really clear, but when you visit us in our showrooms or exhibitions, just have a try with facet tool and you will get the difference in the shine. Today's video was about flywheel tools, the standard, the most popular tools we are selling a lot. So I used 4 tools from our starter tool set in this video. There are more tools, there are total of 13 tools from flywheel and 36 tools of the total tools in the starter tool set. Just have a look at our catalog or website to learn more about the starter tool set and the flywheel tools in the set. You can also have a look at our other videos on our Bulunmaz YouTube page. It's shining a lot, as I told you, especially the facet tool is shining really good. So that's our starter tool set again. There are 36 tools. It's coming with a good pack price, so it's a good point to start diamond cut today. You don't have to spend a lot, you don't have to invest a lot, such as machinery, this and that. It's a simple set, you just get and start immediately watching our YouTube videos. You can also have separately this Bulunmaz micromotor to use the diamond cut. So thank you so much for watching our videos, for following us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and other channels. Even we are into TikTok these days, it's really interesting. You can always visit us on our website bulunmaz.com or visit us in worldwide exhibitions. See you again in the next video. Take care of yourself.